Hello, bro.
Good day, ma'am and sir.
Recording in progress.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jan Kenneth C. Carbonell and we are here to present our capstone project entitled Enterprise Research Plan for Cosroja Elementary School using Wireless Access Point School Year 2020-2021.
I'm Malcolm King Estrada, and this is Chapter 1, the background of study. The first wireless access point is introduced by Proxim Corporation, which is started in 1994, and the branded range is LAN 2. The wireless access point are networking devices that extend the internet connection of the router. The range of wireless access point is 46 meters or 150 feet in indoors and 92 meters or 300 feet in outdoors.
Objective: to have a clear data communication while minimizing the expense, time, and effort for the teacher to submit their requirements in school, and to provide digital tools for school administrators and to enable the dynamic digital learning experiences and to adapt the new ways of learning today and in the future, which is online class or online learning. Paradigm of the study. In the analysis part, we analyze the wireless network connection in the network devices. And in the design part, we implement the wireless access point device and switch devices to extend the network connection of the principal's office. In the simulation and prototyping, we use a packet tracer application to illustrate our logical network design easily. And in the implementation, Enterprise Research Plan for Kutsuha Elementary School using the wireless access points. And in the monitoring part, we monitor the scalability of the network, the speed of the network, and the physical hardware that we implement. And in the management, we ensure that the network security and policies are not violated while implementing our study in the Cruz Roja Elementary School.
I'm Rizalin Joy Samatra. Statement of the problem. How may the enterprise resource plan be designed using wireless access point phases in terms of analysis, design, simulation prototyping, implementation, monitoring, and management?
Scope and limitation of the study. Our studies cover the design, the development of the network design, the network connection inside the Kusroa Elementary School, and how the wireless access points handle or extend the network connection inside the elementary school.
Significance of the study. These are the beneficiaries of our study. First, Cruz Roja Elementary School. It will help the school to extend range the connection of a network to the router. Elementary school employees. It will help the employees to submit and distribute the school works. Future researchers. This may serve as a basis for future research that they will be conducting. NUST students. It will give them information about the wireless access points. And students of Cruz Roja. It will help the students of Cruz Roja to easily process all they want in that school.
Chapter 2. Research Design. Our study are used developmental research to aim to providing the process, instructional design, development, and evaluation. Research Local. Our study was conducted at Cruz Roja, Cabanatuan City. This is our respondents: 10 teachers, 10 students, 10 utility personnel, the total of 30 respondents.
Chapter 3, Result and Discussion. In the analysis, we do a asynchronous meeting to share different ideas about our capstone project, and each member will have a specific task to do to complete our capstone project. And before we implement our study or start our study, we contact one teacher or some teacher from the Kusro Elementary School and tells the problem inside the elementary school, which is about the network problem. Design. This is our physical design or physical network design of or in the Kusro Elementary School.
Pricing table. The network equipment that we use in our study. First, we use wireless access point worth of 6,000 pesos each. Next is 24-port gigabit switch worth of 20,900 pesos each. We use UTP cable worth of 4,299 pesos. And we use the RJ45 worth of 1,046 pesos and a grand total of 38,245 pesos.
Simulation and prototype. As you can see, the network connection of the principal office are extended using the two wireless access point devices, and the wireless access point devices is distribute the network connection coming from the principal's office to the designated elementary rooms of Cruz Roja Elementary School. Procedure or network configuration. Implementation. We implement the switch devices, the connectivity between the principal's office and the wireless access point devices to extend the network connection of the principal's office and distribute that connection to the different designated elementary rooms of Cruz Roja Elementary School. Monitoring and management. We monitor and manage the digital tools or manual, network equipment, and network connection, and range of connection. We monitor that if it's all working, or our study if it's great help, really great help for the Cruz Roja Elementary School. And we provide digital tools or manuals to easily determine the possible problem while implementing the wireless access point, especially to determine easily for the elementary school employees. Chapter 4, Conclusion. Our study that we find out that the designing, planning, building network connection, extend the range of the network connection of the router, and handle the scalability of the network have a great help for the Cruz Roja Elementary School to minimize or lessen the time, expense, and effort to pass their different requirements. It's also extending the network connection of the principal's office have a big impact for the employees of the elementary school.
Recommendation. We recommend this for the Cruz Roja Elementary School and the future researcher. That our study are very useful and great help for the future researcher that will also use the networking design of this study in the near future. I'm Rizalyn Joy Samatra.
I'm Malcolm King Estrada.
And I am Jan Kenneth Carbonell, and that's all our capstone project presentation for today.